Welcome to this tutorial session. Today, we're addressing a common issue many of you have encountered. Your camera is not working in Microsoft Teams. Often, this can deter you from having productive meetings or smooth presentations. But worry not, let's troubleshoot together. First and foremost, ensure you have the latest updates installed for both your operating system and Microsoft Teams app. Updates often include key fixes that can resolve common issues. Next, let's make sure no other applications are accessing your camera. Close all apps, and if you're using an external camera, try unplugging and plugging it back in. Power cycling your device itself can also rectify minor glitches. Microsoft Teams provides a neat feature of test calls. It allows you to check your devices before getting into an actual call. Go to Settings, Devices, select Make a Test Call. After the test run, you'll get a summary, which can give you insightful details if any changes are required. If these steps haven't solved your issue, let's check your system-specific settings. If you're using Windows, ensure that the settings permit camera access for your device. Turn off and turn back on the permission once, then restart your device. Similarly, for Mac users, head to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, Camera. Make sure Microsoft Teams is selected there. Close all apps and restart your device again. Still having trouble? Let's check your browser settings if you're using Microsoft Teams on the web. Make sure your browser allows your camera and microphone to be used in Teams. Lastly, if none of these steps are working, it might be an issue with your drivers in case of external webcams. You will need to troubleshoot your device drivers specifically for Windows. For Mac or web users, you might want to reach out to Microsoft support for more specific guidance.